Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. An espresso brown leather interior with a natural grain light oak brown trim, panorama sunroof. Around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 35,101 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.